So a quick review on the portable dryer that I purchased. I'm a sports mom, so in some of my daughter's tournaments, it's required that her jerseys get washed every night. I know there's like hotel washers and dryers, but sometimes the lines could be long. So right now, I have a pair of her jerseys in here. So I have a spandex and a jersey in there right now. The machine is quite warm. I only have 2 items in there. I know they said that it could dry up to 9 clothes, but based on my first initial try, it took longer and it didn't really dry 3 items, which is a full set of jersey and some shirts. So I'm sticking to just 2 items right now. Only issue I have with this, I initially thought I can put this in the dresser or in the closet in a hotel, but you have to put it in the bathroom because you need to plug it in. And here's the challenge. The cords are quite short, but if I try to open the door completely, I mean, I can still get through that space, but I wish there's an option for a longer cord to place it somewhere else in the hotel. I'll have my final review in a couple of days.
Keeps making that noise until I turn it on again and off, on and off. There, it stopped. It stopped.
My portable dryer just came in today. My shirt's been inside for around 10 minutes now. Wow, it's a lot more drier than before. It's pretty hot too. I should probably, yeah, if you guys do use a hanger, don't use a plastic one. It might melt because the heaters are pretty powerful. Oh, it comes with a light too. Yeah, it's pretty good. It looked like it can't fit, I would say 2 or 3 shirts in here. Yeah, I think it's great if you're going to camping or if you live in New York and the house is pretty small and you don't have a dryer, you only have a washer.